Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can create a Wix banner with a simple and easy guide. So let's get started. To create a clean and professional banner in Wix, first open your Wix website editor. This is where you control your entire website design. Once you're inside the editor, go to the header section of your site. This is the area where your banner will be placed. Take a moment to adjust the header size and alignment so it fits your design perfectly. Next, click the plus icon on the left side of the editor. This will open all the elements you can add. Select Image. Now you can either upload your own banner image or choose one from Wix's built-in free image library. If you already have a banner picture, simply upload it. If not, feel free to pick one from the available free options. After adding the image, resize and reposition it until it fits smoothly inside your header area. Adjust the width, height, and placement so the banner looks clean, sharp, and matches the rest of your site's theme. Spend a moment fine-tuning it to get that perfect professional look. Once everything looks right, your banner is ready, a simple and effective design that instantly improves your website's appearance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.